Hey YouTube, welcome to our house. Come on in.
Okay, so this is the main dining area. This is the house, okay?
Yeah, love the vaulted ceiling, the heart of the home. Yeah, this is it.
Living room is in the high and low. I don't believe everything has to be expensive and fancy. We have kids, they destroy the space.
They do, jumping all over the place.
So it has to be confident and sensitive. And I think
we achieved that. Yeah. So we saw this kitchen table when we went to view the house. Same with these chairs. This is from Sundays, a little bit of a copycat. We got these chairs from Hudson's Bay. They were also in the house when we came to view it. We absolutely love it. We feel like it's perfect scale and color.
Are they?
So this is our kitchen. Obviously we love the vaulted ceilings, how bright, open, and airy it is. We didn't do much in here. I mean, kept it pretty clean. That's sort of our style. A little bit of zhuzhing, but yeah, for the most part, kept it the way that it is.
The bed is there.
Yeah.
This is how the little kids do.
Yeah, that's how we keep them in line.
Everything.
Yeah. And husbands too.
Family living, traditional events. So that really means living traditional styling and learning and blending them together. So it is a bit more bland and cute as opposed to light, but we love it. It's good, healthy, great.
Nice little sanctuary. Yeah.
And then this is the carpet, the magazine, and it's there. I come to hang out, I come to play.
Hide from the family.
Hide
from our husband.
Hide from the family.
Hide from the kids.
This is the late content. That's the fun.
This is where the magic happens. See ya. Woohoo! Nice. Wow. Oh, yes. Woo!
Okay.
Done with, yeah, I did a little Texas, yeah, threw a little, yeah. And
Okay.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep